Hello to my factory. I keep working at 60-12 milling machine across ways scraping, and right now I'm done the right side, and then it's tested, it's perfectly measured with this side and everything is good. So, and now I want to make a oil flanking like here. Here I just tested how it the best way how I can do it and my favorite way. So I paint this way blue with Prussian blue paint, and then I used angle micrometer, this set, and just a pencil, and make a lines right here, and I will use this scraping tool. Yes, I know the angles and the shape is not the best one for this, but I don't want to reshape this tool because old master says this is good enough for this. So I try to set camera somewhere, and I try to run something. So in the videos I was seeing the way how to make flanking around so. I watched the videos and I think it out that this is my favorite way how to done this. Yes, it takes a time, but maybe I'll even how better to say, in Stone Age I work with unpowered hand tools, but it's very funny. I mind that how to people before hundreds of years make the machines in way like I'm doing this. So, and then one more. I lose a little bit accuracy because I can't catch a line. So, and that looks like so. Cool. So in this way I should to scrape all way and then later this side, but already get a mess in my work. I have very close this milling machine head right here, and I have too less place for here, and I should move this piece or turn it around. So thanks for the watching, good luck and have a nice day.